Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you simple and modern login page design using only HTML, CSS, and this project is perfect for beginner who want to improve their front-end skills and build clean user interface without using JavaScript. First, we create a basic HTML structures inside the body. So let's get started. First give your title, login UI, and create one div with class name container. Then create another div class name with form box, and then write an h2 tag for heading login. Then create two input tag. First for username, type is text, placeholder username. Another one is password, type is password, and placeholder is password. Then give button tag for login. Then one paragraph, don't have an account, and give anchor tag. So this is whole part 4, HTML structures for modern login and registrations UI. Then next part is moving to the CSS part. First I will write here, then I can explain whole CSS. First link style.css, margin 0 and padding is equal to 0. Then box sizing, border box, font family, sans serif. Then we give for this part CSS body height 100 px, give background linear gradient 135 degree, then blue, then display facts, justify content center, align item center. Then we give CSS for container, width 300 pixels, then give form box for this. Then for this h2, then we give form box input for input with 100%, padding 10 pixel, background border none, color copy this whole part and paste here. We can write for another CSS for this part with 100%, padding 10 pixels and margin 10 pixels and 0, then border 1 pixel solid, then make a border radius 8 pixel. Then for this part uh, we should give over background for anchor tag, text decorations none. We style the whole page using CSS gradient background to make it look modern and attractive. So this is the whole part of this, and you can do If you want to make it more interactive, we add hover effect on the button so user can feel responsive while clicking. And as you can see, with just HTML and CSS, we can create a clean and modern UI without any complexity. If you can further improve this project by adding animations or registration page, or even connecting it with a backend in the future. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.